Hello everyone. Welcome to the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today, I will show you how to bind off one by one, in a beautiful elastic way using a needle. The bind off looks similar to factory made. These knit stitches go to the wrong side. It's a very nice bind off and very simple. We will be binding off pairs of knit stitches with knit and purl stitches with purl. Here on my left needle, the first stitch is a knit. So, I will be sewing this knit with the previous knit. We are looking for this ladder and examining it. We find the very top stitch. Here it is. We turn it in such a way that this ladder continues. Just like this, we insert the needle from top to bottom into this stitch. That is, we go into this stitch. Then, we come out of this stitch on the left needle, like this. First, with the needle movement from top to bottom, or away from us. Then from bottom to top towards us. And we drop the knit stitch from the left needle. We pull through. The next two stitches will be purl stitches. Here's our first purl and the one that was previously. So, purl stitches from the back look like knit stitches. That means we will sew this purl stitch with this one. Here, we find the previous one. We insert from top to bottom here. We identify this stitch. The outermost stitch at the top. We insert like this, as if we are going into this stitch. And we come out from the stitch that is on our left needle. From bottom to top, or towards us with the needle. We enter, and we come out of this stitch. And we drop this purl stitch from the left needle. And we continue. Next, we have a knit stitch. We sew it with the previous knit stitch. There we go. A row of knit stitches. We pull it tight and find the top stitch. We insert the needle from top to bottom. We enter the stitch. And then we exit from this stitch from bottom to top. And we drop it from the left needle. Next, we sew the purl stitch with the previous purl stitch. There we go, the previous purl stitch. Here, we sew it with this purl stitch. So, we pull the stitches here and look for the outermost top one. There it is. We turn it correctly. We insert from top to bottom, or we enter it. And we exit from this stitch from bottom to top. And we drop it from the left needle. Thus we close all the stitches. If this video was helpful to you, please like it, subscribe, and we will see each other in the next lesson.